Welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So in a previous episode, I talked about YouTube copyright claims and copyright strikes and how that can affect your channel. And one of the ways that it can affect your channel is that you could actually get your videos demonetized. But what if you're in a situation where you have a smaller channel and you're not part of the YouTube Partner Program? Can you still get a copyright claim? Well, the answer is yes. And so here I have a smaller channel. It's a movie channel. It currently has 304 subscribers. And so it doesn't meet the minimum requirements to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. And so none of my videos are monetized. But despite that, I still got a copyright claim. And so in this case, this video just got a copyright claim. And if I go here to the details and then come down here to visibility, you could actually view the copyright claim details. And here under monetization, it says ineligible. And it says, even though you're not in the YouTube Partner Program, ads may be showing on your video. The revenue from these ads is being used to pay the artists and copyright owners for permission to use their content. So even though my videos is not making any money off of the ads, you could still get a copyright claim. And later on in the future, whenever this channel does become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, any money that it makes from ads will go back to the original copyright owners. So hopefully, if you're watching this and you are a smaller YouTuber who doesn't think that this will affect you, well, it can affect you even if you're currently not making any money off of your videos. So that is it for this particular video. If you wanted to see more details on YouTube copyright claims and copyright strikes, I will leave that original episode in the description area below. And if you wanted to see more YouTube tutorials and tips, I'll also leave a playlist in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group where you'll get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.